Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A55. So you have to start by opening Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge. Now click search, and here you can click install. Now you can click open, and here click skip introduction. Then here you can set this browser as a default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can customize homepage of your browser, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. Now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And here you can try out AI, or you can just click start browsing. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.